days to healthy eating. There is no chocolate allowed, and I'm a little bit of a chocolate freak. I have got half a cup of coconut syrup, a third of a cup of coconut oil, third of a jar of almond butter.
Easy pop, where you they go, we they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the trash, man it's so tough.
Alright yo, put the belly on the body, make a catch. Seen her watch, now she wanna give crotch. Boy got peas, now she hopping in the pod. Man a real life sugar gal, I might forget what. When she want dark, told her meet me at the top. Switching lanes the other day, I seen her waiting for a bus. Maybe this a Moncler sweater, diesel denim. Buy another one, my pockets fat like heather. Neck froze like I don't know no better. Benzo truck, white seats and they leather. Go broke never.